you know Facebook people are earning money? It is paying just like YouTube. And did you know that you can go live on Facebook using streaming? Did you know that you can go live on Facebook faceless, without showing your face? In this video, I am going to show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so that you get a notification of all my videos. So you come to streaming. Now we log in because I'm already signed in. When you come here, you go to, if you are new complete, you know I'm already signed in here. So if you are not signed in, logged in, if you are not already signed in, you come here, you select the destination, then you click Facebook. When you click Facebook, there's Facebook profile, Facebook page, or Facebook group, depending on where you want to go live. For me, I'm going with Facebook profile because that is the one that is active. So when you come, you click there, you come in, it will ask you which account, it will show you have several. I'm choosing to go with this one. Macy. Consider the Macy, yes. Yes. If you are not already, you see I'm already connected. If you're not connected, you click on your profile, then it will connect and take you back to the studio. You come here now because I'm already, see, I'm already, if you log in, when you come here, you always find your account here. So I come with, because now I'm not using YouTube, it's Facebook. I click Facebook. Then when you come to Facebook, the title, like this is like that. Description. Let's write connecting with my followers. Then here you choose either portrait or landscape. For Facebook, you do portrait. Alright. Then if you want to schedule it for later, you click here and schedule for later. But now you want to go live right now. So no scheduling, you create live stream. So we are entering the studio. When you come here, if you want to do it non-faceless, you just enter studio. If you want it faceless, because on myself, I want to do it faceless. Then, if you want to mute, not talk, you can mute. If you don't want, it's just like that. But for now, let me mute. Oh, yes, let me mute because I don't want to talk. Then, you enter studio. When you enter studio here still, if you want a solo layout, this one you choose one. If you want to invite another person, you can choose this so that you can invite two or this. You choose your layout depending even on how many people you want to invite. Solo, I'm going for solo layout. When you go for solo layout, then you click here, add. You see, my profile is there. The one I use, this is a profile. It's on StreamYard. That's the one I chose. Then you come here. Important. You can't post comment on Facebook profiles. Do you know why? Because I have not put it on public. So the people can, I think I'm on friends only, so only friends can post, can comment. When streaming to a profile, viewer comments won't show up unless the stream is public on Facebook. Yeah, for now, mine is not public, so you go here. If you want to make it public, you see here, public, friends, or only me. I think I'll put on only me because I didn't want people to see me. But it's on friends. It's on friends. Then you come here. You come to the business integration. You click on business integration. When you click there, it will take you to Facebook. When you take you to Facebook, you see here under the StreamYard. If you want to remove it, you can remove. But here we want the details. When you come to the details, you can see it's on friends only. So you can put it on public. You see, your public, friends, only me, custom. So then put public for now. When you choose, you save. After saving, then you come back. You click back, you come back here. You cancel this one because you already done with it. Then now, you come on, go live here. If you check everything is okay, now you click go live. Are you ready to go live? Yes. People not see me. My mic is muted. So even if I talk, they will not see me. But you can see. Let me remove the mic. You can see we are live. But I want to mute because I muted the mic. So I never knew that you can go faceless on Facebook until I tried. For the shy people, don't worry, you're sorted. You can go live without showing your face. Now I want to end. So we end the streaming. Yes. After you end, when you go to Facebook, you will find that you are live. You can use your phone. You can either use your phone to StreamYard, or you can use a laptop. Any can do, whichever you want to use. Any can do. So we've ended. Then we leave. Okay, I forgot something. Before I leave. So when you're live, we've already ended our live anyway. But when you're live, if you want to invite someone to either on Facebook or YouTube, if you want to invite people, you click there. You get this is the link. In this link, you copy. When you copy this link, you pin it on your comment section. And if someone wants to join your live, they just click, they join the live. Okay. So we are done. We are done, guys. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos. Asanteni sana. Here's the live. Was live. That one. Yes. Here's the live that we did. Another. I already take later because it was muted most of the time. So it is approved that you can go Faceless and you can go live on Facebook through StreamYard. For watching up to the end. If you've learned something from this video, kindly give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Ring the notification bell so that you get more and more informative videos so that we can grow together. See you in my next one. Bye bye.